both of you are regulated financial institutions under a number of different regimes. There's a lot going on there. The FSB is working on its policy recommendations. It looks like the EU is going to put forward, at least for discussion and then ultimately for legislative initiative, EU-wide kind of crypto policy that'll be inclusive of stable coins. And the U.S. National banking regulator is issuing guidance to open this up to the financial sector as we speak. Where do you see the regulatory picture for stablecoins and sort of this crypto generally, but specifically the use of these types of digital cash instruments and the infrastructure that we are building on?
I think it's depending a little bit on a geographic perspective. I think we here in Europe, we are a fan of regulation. We like to have that regulatory certainty compared to other continents. I think where regulatory is rather on the second end, where you rather try and then see how it works. We in Liechtenstein, we have since the beginning of this year our blockchain act in law. So Liechtenstein is a completely regulated jurisdiction when it comes to cryptocurrencies, digital securities, and so on. I think for a broader adoption, especially with financial institutions, I'm talking in the context of Europe, a clear regulatory guidance, clear regulatory framework is one of the most important things.
Yeah.
In the UK, it's super cool to see the FCA embracing crypto finally with the crypto assets regulation, which looks at it from an AML point of view. Sooner or later, the FCA are also going to look at this from a market efficiency point of view, and this is where stablecoins actually really shine because in a highly volatile asset like the majors in crypto. Market efficiency is hard to measure and hard to manage, but a stablecoin, by definition, when pegged to a national currency, it's a non-issue.
Yeah.
So phase one of this regulation in the UK, looking at AML, that super positive step. It's going to bring a lot of people into legitimacy, a lot of businesses into legitimacy. Phase two, when we start looking at market efficiency, well, stablecoins have already got a head start. We're there.